we've seen many people pulling out of the market, and to me, that's the wrong outcome. In fact, I've been getting so many texts. What should I do? And I said, buy more here, because this is a good long-term opportunity. We believe the huge job growth is going to be in the build-out of our infrastructure. We estimate there's going to be a need for $10 trillion of investing in the United States alone over the course of the next 8 years. $10 trillion, and that money is being invested into our economy. Now, what that means is going to be creating a huge amount of jobs in construction, in building out our grid, in building out data centers, making sure that we have energy resilience. And so it's going to create a huge amount of jobs. We don't have enough skilled workers to meet the needs of these jobs. We're not ready for it, and we have to win. If we don't win this, China's going to win.
What if I told you that while the world obsesses over BlackRock's trillion-dollar empire and endless AI bets, Larry Fink just dropped a bombshell confession that's shaking Wall Street to its core, admitting the woke era pendulum swung way too far 5 years ago. And now the firm's laser-focused on the real money printer, America's massive infrastructure explosion. But here's the heart-stopping cliffhanger that will keep you glued. BlackRock's pouring millions into training skilled trades to fuel the build-out of grids, data centers, energy resilience, and more. Because if America doesn't win this race, China will. And fresh pledges, private infrastructure plays worth trillions, plus this pivot from past overreach, are about to ignite explosive gains in overlooked infrastructure-linked stocks before the boom fully hits. Miss this moment and you'll be kicking yourself for years as early believers turn pocket change into fortunes. The 2026 infrastructure supercycle is not coming. It's already detonating with skilled labor shortages turning into massive job growth, private credit surges, and resilient energy/tech buildouts leading the charge. Buckle up, hit that like button. And let's dive into the 4 absolute must-watch names or sectors that could deliver life-altering wealth in the next 90 days as BlackRock and the smart money scramble to catch up. Mobix Labs, MOBX. Mobix Labs is a cutting-edge fabless semiconductor innovator specializing in ultra-high bandwidth wireless connectivity solutions, including true 5G chipsets, mmWave modules, active optical cables, and fiber optic technologies that power everything from autonomous vehicles and 5G infrastructure to AR/VR headsets, defense systems, and high-speed medical devices. This is the behind-the-scenes enabler making next-generation connectivity not just faster, but reliable in the most demanding real-world environments where traditional silicon simply can't keep up. Mobix just announced an oversubscribed $6 million public offering to accelerate its aggressive growth strategy. Strategic partnerships in defense and telecom are ramping, and the company's technology edge in C-band and mmWave is positioning it perfectly for the massive infrastructure build-out already underway across North America and Asia. Turning to the full-year FY 2025 financials, the company delivered standout growth with fiscal 2025 revenue expected between $9.7 million and $9.9 million, a powerful 54% jump from $6.4 million the prior year, while gross margins expanded dramatically to approximately 50.2%, 50.5%. Operating losses narrowed significantly on an adjusted basis, cash position strengthened, and the Q1 2026 quarter showed revenue of $1.88 million with a reduced net loss of $10.13 million versus $19.84 million a year earlier. These numbers prove Mobix is executing at scale, converting its breakthrough IP into real revenue while tightening the burn rate. Peraso Incorporated, PRSO. Peraso Incorporated is the pioneer in millimeter wave, mmWave semiconductor technology, delivering chipsets, antenna modules, software, and intellectual property that enable blazing fast 60 GHz wireless connectivity for fixed wireless access, consumer electronics, enterprise networks, and emerging applications like drone communications and smart cities. Their solutions deliver gigabit speeds where traditional Wi-Fi and lower-band 5G fall short, making Peraso the go-to player for the ultra-high-frequency future that's arriving faster than anyone expected. The company is riding record quarterly revenue from its mmWave products, with new design wins in fixed wireless and multi-access edge computing fueling the surge. Management's focus on high-performance 5G infrastructure is paying off big time amid global network upgrades and the push for faster, more reliable connectivity everywhere from rural America to dense urban deployments. The most recent Q3 2025 financials were a blowout that set the stage for even bigger things. Revenue jumped more than 45% sequentially to $3.23 million, beating estimates, driven by all-time high Wave product sales, while EPS came in at minus 15 cents, significantly better than the minus 25 cents consensus. Gross margins improved, operating efficiencies kicked in, and the company is now teeing up Q4 2025 results that analysts believe will show continued acceleration. This is the inflection quarter where Pareso transitions from development to pure revenue scale in the wireless boom. Hura Biosciences is a clinical-stage immuno-oncology powerhouse developing first-in-class therapies designed to overcome tumor resistance mechanisms and supercharge the body's immune response against hard-to-treat cancers. Their lead candidate, IFX 2.0, is in a pivotal Phase 3 trial under a special FDA agreement, while their expanded pipeline includes a Phase 2 ReadyVista antibody, TBS 2025, and cutting-edge delta opioid receptor and ADC programs, all targeting massive unmet needs in melanoma, Merkel cell carcinoma, AML, and beyond. The Q3 2025 financials reported November 2025 reflected disciplined execution in a development stage company. Net loss came in at approximately $7.1 million, EPS minus 14 cents, beating estimates, with R&D spend focused squarely on high-value clinical advancement. Cash runway was extended thanks to the recent financing. Operating expenses remain controlled, and the company reiterated its timeline for key 2026 milestones, including potential Phase 2 initiation for TBS 2025 in AML. These results underscore 2Hura's ability to advance world-class science while maintaining a lean, milestone-driven burn rate. Waterdrop Incorporated WDH. Waterdrop Incorporated is China's leading digital insurance and healthcare platform, leveraging AI, big data, and a massive user ecosystem to deliver affordable protection products, medical crowdfunding, and value-added health services to hundreds of millions of middle-class consumers. With a fully profitable model and expanding into insurance tech and patient services, Waterdrop has turned the traditional InsurTech story upside down by actually generating consistent earnings while scaling at lightning speed. The Q3 2025 financials, reported December 2025, were nothing short of spectacular and marked the 15th straight profitable quarter. Net operating revenue surged 38.4% year-over-year to 974.9 million renminbi. Insurance-related income jumped 44.8%. Operating profit exploded 329.8% higher, and net profit attributable to shareholders rose 60.1% to 158.5 million renminbi. Cash reserves remained fortress strong at over 3.5 billion renminbi. Operating expenses as a percentage of revenue dropped significantly, and the core business showed clear scalability with first-year premiums up sequentially. These numbers prove Waterdrop isn't just surviving, it's thriving with real earnings power that most penny stocks can only dream about. There you have it, 4 battle-tested penny stocks with real technology, real revenue traction, and real catalyst stacked for the March 2026 breakout. The urgency is off the charts, volume is exploding, interest rates are supportive, sector tailwinds are accelerating, and these names are still flying under the radar of most investors. Do your own due diligence, manage risk in this volatile space, size your position smartly, and get positioned before the crowd wakes up and drives the next leg higher. Which one are you loading up on first? Drop your top pick in the comments right now. Smash that like button if these plays have you fired up, and subscribe for daily urgent penny stock alerts that actually move the needle. The small cap wealth transfer of 2026 is happening live. Let's ride these rockets to the moon together.